7 steps to implement your signage project on brand, on budget, and on time. Allow us to introduce ourselves. You could say we have been around the block. Founded by the Lego Group, Modulex has been in the signage and brand implementation business since 1963. Our multinational group has 5 factories globally and a presence in over 300 cities across 45 countries. This gives us infinite reach and the ability to easily implement your project on time. Depending on the size and scope of your project, signage plans require months, if not years, of planning. Not having the proper lead time on a signage project can lead to stress, budget overages, and a late installation. Here are some of the critical steps to ensure a successful signage implementation. Number 1. Financial. Has the budget been allocated considering all aspects and outcomes of the process? It is essential to take into consideration multiple aspects when assigning your budget to the signage project. Understanding the entire program from the design intent through to installation is necessary, so you aren't spending more than you allocated. Number 2. Design and branding. Have all parties involved agreed on the design intent? A signage program might fall into different hands: architect, developer, contractor, interior designers, and the project coordinator. To avoid being stuck for months on how the signage program should look and feel, it is better to determine it quickly, so more complex steps can take place. Number 3. Regulations and code considerations. Are you fully aware of accessibility, disability regulations in your region? Codes and regulations are the keystones of our industry. It's essential to clearly understand them and their relation to signage to ensure compliance and inclusion. Number 4. Project management. Is your team ready to troubleshoot unexpected situations? Project management means having to see and predict the future in some instances to avoid troubling scenarios, but always be prepared for them. Ensure you are asking the right questions to anticipate some of the challenges you may encounter. Number 5. Manufacturing. Have you considered lead time, factory capabilities, and supply chain shortages? It's a new world with new problems. Nowadays, we need to expect material shortages, shipping delays, factories with reduced capabilities. It is essential to consider these factors when putting a production order. Number 6. Location. Does your site have special conditions to consider before installation? Not all projects are the same and have unique sets of obstacles that may arise with each of them. You must make sure to be ready for difficult installation conditions. Number 7. Implementation. Is your installation team ready for the signage deployment? Not only do you have to understand the site, but your installers need to have all information at hand directly passed and explained in detail. Your project manager and designers will ensure a smooth implementation without delays. At Modulex, being in business as long as we have means we know a thing or two about the industry and are exceptional at what we do. Let us share our experience, help you understand each step in the process thoroughly, and establish an effective work-back schedule and ensure your signage project is on brand, on budget, and on time.